Hi, this is Karthik. I attended Mr. Ravi Padmanabhan's Only Profits workshop conducted on the 25th December of 2018. This workshop is a really useful workshop for first-time beginners into the stock market to understand the long-term benefits of getting into equity stocks and also understanding various advantages and disadvantages in various asset classes that are currently available in the market. Mr. Padmanabhan's approach towards these classes have been very unique, and also he has been completely transparent about the risk associated with each asset classes, and also he's a great influencer in terms of sharing ideas and also bringing out the best of understanding between the people who are attending the class. And he also had these nice activities between the people, so that kind of helped bring a warm environment into the session that really helped to connect with each other. This course is something that I recommend for all the beginners into the stock market to have a fair understanding of what the market comes across as. So, thank you, Ravi, and all the very best to you.